Your boy back in the cuts.
Oh my. We got Chase and the Hondaroo. I know everybody's been asking about this scene, and she's been in the background. He's been ripping it.
Oh yeah.
Full send or no send. Those of you guys
Tune still isn't dialed in, but she likes the built motor timing right now.
it seems like Chase always has some sort of an issue we got to work through before we can actually get something done. So those of you just checking in or just seeing this, this is Chase's 2013 STI. It does indeed have a Honda K24 engine in it with our next door neighbor Strayed Fabrications turbo kit, Precision 6870. Too bad it's a Gen 2. This shit was built a while back. It'll still work just fine today. Gato intake manifold, 8 injectors. We have a set of what, 1050s and 2150s on here. This is on a Haltech Elite 2500, and it is indeed a stock K24. It does have a 50-degree VTC and a K20 oil pump, but it is a stock K24. We do have a obviously heavier car than what they're used to being in, and we have a big 6870 with a not so ideal wastegate placement because Chase told him he liked the look of his wastegate 90 degree off the manifold. What the hell, Chase?
So really the idea was,
no, you want to tell him what you said? I didn't care about
having a wastegate.
You want to tell him what you said?
I wanted to have all of it. Now I totally regret that. So
yeah. So it goes from 8 pounds and then you get to 8,000 RPMs and it shows 20 plus.
Yeah, I think I seen 25 the other day at like 7,200 RPM. So yeah, that's not ideal, but we're here. We want to get everything dialed in with it so I could actually rip on it without having to worry about my rod coming through my block. But yeah, so we're gonna see what
says the guy about his wastegate placement. So it has an 8-pound spring in it today. We're gonna just focus on getting a nice clean power band, get him to enjoy the scene. I may have to cut the RPM short just because of boost control, which he already knows about. And yeah, ready to get Sion down or what?
Yes,
we'll
sir.
jump right into it.
Yes, sir.
All right, well, get her loaded up. It's on you. You remember how. You want to fire it up for the boys?
Yeah, get a little
so we can hear it.
cold start.
Cold start for the
Hear
boys.
little vibrations, but you know. Oh, and also keep in mind with the turbo kit, has all the functions to keep original STI exhaust, so you already know how to put a Tommy on it.
He's got the homie Tommy on it. Nice tune. Sounds like a Honda boy. We'll clean up some of that. What's up, guy? You came for the party, huh?
Yeah.
The Rod Bender 1000?
V3.
Ah, damn, it's loud. Here we are. We're loaded.
We're not having three for one right now. We're just gonna nice and easy keep.
You want to give them backstory then? You gotta give them backstory because they don't even know about the 3-for-1 deal.
So this is a 3-for-1. So first motor, want to get everything dialed in. Just threw a stock motor in there. Didn't care whatever happened to it was gonna happen.
How many miles are on it?
300,000. So either way, it was going. And so
blame the tuner though.
So
yeah, blame the tuner.
Backstory: first pull in, 4,200 RPM. Bent the rod. Okay.
6 pounds of fucking boost.
Hit the window stray. So we went ahead, pulled it apart. Then Josh assembled me a built bottom end. Went ahead, threw that guy in there. Everything was going well.
What happened to the built motor?
So when I was assembling it, the way that these K-series work,
they're very easy, very simple.
And I forgot which way the timing angles.
It was 180 off.
And bent all the valves. It was a little bit louder.
Not one.
I thought it was just piston slap. Went ahead, threw it all in there. The car made some pretty shitty power in my opinion for the amount of boost it was
like
on.
580.
And so
on what, 25 pounds?
I think it was at 25, 24. Went ahead, everything was going smoothly, and then it wasn't. Then I had to go to work, so I just put the car on the back burner. And then I was like, all right, let's just purchase another stock motor, and here we are again, and hopefully the results are a lot better than the first and the second time. So
your boy gave him a healthy in the corner.
Yep.
K24. I got faith in this one. she's doing all right, especially with old boy over here sending it on the built motor map.
So yeah, we were sending it on the street, and now we're gonna see what it can do on a properly tuned map. So
700 bust?
no, absolutely the fuck not. We got
700?
500 to 600.
800? What do you think, Jamie?
I'm stealing both your guys' motor as it goes. So
He's got another stock one.
yeah, I know. I'm gonna pull it out of the Mugen right now.
All right, let's get this party started. Gonna get the car on, put it on gate, pull some timing out, because as we mentioned, it had a built motor in it before. This obviously being a stock motor is gonna need less timing to keep some things tame, keep the torque tame. We already know boost control is gonna be an issue today, so we're gonna have to kind of band-aid that. I've been getting on him to fix that.
Trying to put a 60 pound on it. Or 60 millimeter.
That's only going to do so much. You could
Well,
block. You could block the one off there, and you could put it on the turbo housing, and it would work phenomenal.
Yeah.
You could hold
do a little hood
7 pounds
exit
flat
for the
all the way.
external too. So.
All right. Well, let's get going. We'll do a poll. I'll have Chase record, and hopefully today she's driving off the dyno.
Yeah. Or else the old wife's gonna kill me if I don't make it home. So.
Good news. He's not quite married yet, so.
No, Hey.
Did I ever record that?
I don't think so.
Oh, I didn't even record that. My bad. All right. So that wasn't supposed to happen, but 604 and 454, boys. Look at that nice curve. We already know VTEC's kicking in. She wants to eat. So we're gonna see where it's at. But honestly, right there, stock motor, I'm 100% fine with that. We're just gonna see what Josh has planned with it. We'll look over the graph, make sure everything's looking good, but 600 horsepower, baby.
All right, Chase. You and your damn boost control. I got Chris here. We can blame Chris.
What's up, guys?
He says also it was Chase's fault because Chase was used to a 7-to-1 compression Subaru motor. By the way, they don't make that low compression, but when your Subaru motor has fucking 80 PSI compression, it's probably about, it was pretty subpar. He bought a used motor the last time this thing ran with an EJ, and pretty subpar, but it lived. It lived forever. 42 pounds on a 6870. It lived a great life. But here we are, first pole, making a solid 604. How you feeling about that back there?
I'm pretty excited with that. If I can honestly keep it there, I would, but you know, I'm not in control of the laptop, so I'll blame the tuner on this one.
You know, this shit's going up right now. So we're gonna do another hit, see where things are, add some fuel, keep that cylinder cool. I pulled some timing down low to keep torque happy. I lowered VTEC a couple hundred RPMs to get it smoother in the graph. See what happens here.
Say we could probably call it right there. That's a little bit more than I was expecting. Hey pal, the F key is not supposed to be activated. What are you doing? Well, there you go. A K-Series stock motor, 729.
It doesn't even have head studs.
Golly. Well, we're gonna go ahead and take a look and see what happened. Yeah, the torque was a little bit hot on that one, let's say. But honestly, I mean, 50 more foot-pounds of torque. But god damn, 125 horsepower more.
Not bad for a stock K. Nice flat torque line, 495. And then boost is running away up top, hitting it at 18.5 pounds here, and then it's falling up all the way to 26. This time I'm gonna rev it up a little bit higher, 729. How do you feeling, boy?
I feel good. It's a little bit higher than what I was expecting, but you know, the rule of thumb, you don't want to make something slower. If it's working and it's proven to like the boost, just keep throwing at it until you feel comfortable and call it good. But like I said, leaving it up to this guy right here. So
we're gonna party on the next one, call it here. I'm gonna rev it up to 8,200 and we'll see what it makes and we'll call it there.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Excited. 2 years in the making for this, I think. So I'm glad. So
he's starting to see why he chose the K series in the first place.
The first two motors were a little disappointing, but you know, this is what I've been looking for, and here we go. We finally have a result, and I'm pretty excited. So we're gonna see what it does on the street next. So. Nice little 745, 514. That's enough torque to go play around, but you know, honestly, it's a lot more than I was expecting out of the stock motor. So I'm happy with that. So car looks to be running completely fine. Everything seems really healthy. So I'm gonna call it there and maybe get a built motor in this thing. Obviously, I know this thing isn't supposed to last like this, but you know, we'll see on what the budget's looking like, but definitely built motor coming soon. Well, pal, what do you think?
Same boost. Fuel is almost spotless. Same boost, 26 pounds.
745.
745?
745 at 514.
That's solid. We're keeping the torque there. The torque's coming in later, though.
Yep.
That's what we want. I'm just gonna clean this up. We're good.
Oh yeah. Call it. Well. That's a wrap today, boys. No, we ain't doing a street hit. We ain't not.
One more out here.
No. Yeah. 745 is enough. That's plenty.
On the next click, 800 all.
No, dude, no. Well, if this camera turns back on, 800 or bust, I guess.
There you go, party pooper. Guys, everybody knows he's a fucking vagina.
Well, when you had two motors go, you don't want the third one going just because set up launch control. Also don't have vehicle speed, so.
No, I was trying to turn it up more, you bitch. I was trying to, we got 65 more horsepower to go. Bet it could do it very easily. One more click and we could be up at 800.
4 more pounds of boost, it would have done it. But you know, it's a stock motor. I'm gonna buy a built motor. I promise you guys that. You'll see it back on the channel. Unless one of you guys got 35 grand.
He keeps trying to sell his shit. Who knows if you're gonna see it back on the channel. He's going out and do, what are you doing tonight?
Motherfucking street hit.
Motherfucking street hit.
Motherfucking street hit.
With us in the camera, in the car.
No, we're gonna be riding along.
Yeah, we're going for a ride on. Oh, you bet you cannot. You literally have to do
one of you motherfuckers. One. Not all 4 of them. That's too much fucking weight.
Bet.
This motor is in a fucking 2,500 foot.
Do you see what it's got to carry around? Your fat ass.
As I mean,
and you're eating licorice. we got to go at least for one little rip ski there.
What? 2, 3.
Bet.
2, 3, 4.
Yeah, 2, 3, 4.
3, 4.
Oh, yeah. Just like the Fozzie.
All right.
2, 3, 4. Just don't do it right there on that bump.
Well, Justin and I will go.
Without me?
Oh, yeah. You can just go fuck yourself.
All right. Well, I guess
get this bitch unloaded. She's living. Oh, you bet we're going 4 deep. No.
Huh?
4 deep?
God, dude. 4 deep?
No. Keep her going. ready, sir.
I don't think I am either.
Well, gonna happen today.
Oh,
You know what they say? Full send or no send, bitch.
yeah, I guess we're full send.
She's only a ride home.
Yeah, I know.
These two influences over here. Do you agree he should have turned it up?
A little bit more.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Should have turned it up.
It could have made 800.
Yeah. We agree that you are a puss.
That's all right.
Yeah. Stop right there. I gotta get a photo. Alright, one last good view of no oil anywhere. Oh, I'm just fucking with him. Beautiful setup. Happy to see it finally working for him. As I told him, there's always going to be some kinks to work out over time. Some of those involve, you know, making sure the motor's timed right. But he now sees why he originally did the K in the car. They truly do make really good power at low boost, higher compression engine, and I'm excited to see where he goes with it and see him enjoy it. Granted, it is on a little bit higher boost than I'd like, or higher power I should say, but with the boost control I got, that's what I got to deal with, so it'll be fine. It is coming in later on. If you mistreat it, obviously it can easily break, but we're gonna go out for the street hit, see what we can do. Just in case we need that tow, I got the phone. Yeah. Justin, thank God I left you. You about killed me last time. You know, what's the saying go? I just want to be a Honda boy.
I always wanted to be a Honda boy, and this is the time where you have the best of both worlds. So
I know it is dark, boys. You will not be able to see us much, but you will be able to see the cluster and hear the car.
all right,
I got light.
we got this one too.
We got all the light.
Put me on blast.
Well, yeah, of course. Can't probably see any of us in here. There's the moment you've been waiting for how long?
Let's see if I still got it.
Oh fuck! Here we go. We're getting towed back. Let it read. What do you think? What do you think?
Holy fuck! That was a 234, and I haven't thrown that in about 2 years. So my heart's beating a little bit.
She's living.
Still idling, so yeah, the
Stock motor, baby.
proportioning valve on the brakes didn't really want to stop, so definitely not ideal if you guys
Just
decide
started
doing
walking
this.
around.
Yeah, probably leave that factory. What is it? What is
Factory
it?
ABS.
Yeah, leave that on there, and you'll be fine, because this is
Flip around
as
here.
tight as this can go. So
Why do your headlights suck so bad?
I don't know. Probably because
Right
I
here.
trash my headlights are, but yeah, this thing's
What do you think? What do you think?
she's a ripper.
It rips.
I'm like over here shaking right now because this is fucking like
It's been a while.
yeah, it's fucking.
It's been a while.
It's been about 2 years since I've ever felt something that quick. So